Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in the today's video we will be seeing the Sparks versus Hadoop. So these are the most widely used big data frameworks. Hadoop is widely used in industry as well as Apache Spark is also used. So we'll see what are the differences between these two and which overcome the another one. So already I have uploaded a video about Apache Spark architecture and in detail what is meant by Spark. Also there is a video on the HDFS framework and Hadoop. So link to that videos will be in the description as well as in the upside I section. You can go through it. So now we will see basic introduction and the difference. So Spark is an open source framework. So Hadoop is an open source framework which will use MapReduce algorithm for working, whereas Spark is a cluster computing based framework which will extend the properties or the algorithms or the model of the MapReduce with the use of more type of computation methods. So Spark is basically one of the extension you can say of a Hadoop MapReduce framework. Hadoop reads right from the disk, thus the processing speed of Hadoop is very low, whereas Spark uses the in-memory to store the intermediate data, hence the processing speed is very faster. So Hadoop stores the intermediate data in memory, hence the processing speed of the Spark is more higher. So if we see, Hadoop is a cheaper option as compared to Spark because in terms of cost, Hadoop is most cheaper than the Spark, whereas Spark required a lot of RAM to run the in-memory computation. Thus, the cost increases due to the RAM size or due to the in-memory computation. Now, if we see the difference based on different factors, as we seen before, speed of Hadoop is much faster than the traditional systems, but Spark is more faster, 100 times faster than the Hadoop MapReduce framework. Data processing in Spark, we can process the data in the batch format or real time like Facebook comment, Twitter analysis. Real time analysis can be done in Spark. Iterative and graph based also analysis can be done with the help of Spark architecture, but Hadoop only supports the batch processing. So this is the disadvantage of Hadoop over Spark. Spark is written in the Scala language, whereas Hadoop is written in the Java language. So whatever the program we have to write in Hadoop, we have to write it in the Java language, whereas in Spark we have to write it in the Scala. Hadoop is complex and lengthy since we have to write the three codes in Hadoop, that is the mapper, reducer and the main program. Whereas in Spark the code is also less and it is easier than Hadoop and easy to understand for the user also. So it is user friendly as compared to Hadoop. Caching. Hadoop does not support the caching of data but Spark supports because in memory caching is possible in Spark and it enhances the performance of a Spark architecture. Next factor is the resource management. In Spark, it is a standalone, whereas in Hadoop, there is a yarn which manages the resource management thing. And what is resource management? All these things I have covered in the HDFS part. Link to that video will be in the description as well as in the I section. You can go through it. So you will get all the details about the Hadoop architecture there. Next is the storage. So Spark stores the in-memory, whatever the computation is being done, that will be stored in memory, whereas Hadoop stores all the data onto the disk. So this was the basic difference about the Spark and the Hadoop and what are the differentiating points. I hope everyone is clear with the video. So for more such videos on machine learning, big data and data science, Python, stay tuned. Also coding videos will be uploaded on the channel. So thank you everyone. And don't follow me to follow on Instagram for queries. You can DM me there. Thank you.